to my channel, and I am here today with a review on this hair that I'm wearing from hairvilla.com. Hairvilla reached out to me and asked if I would review some hair for them, and they sent me 3 bundles, 22, 20, and 18 inches of their body wave hair and an 18-inch frontal. When I got the hair, it was like a natural black color. I will insert some clips of the hair. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with the hair because I already have like a lot of wigs and a lot of hair, and I wanted to do something different. So I decided to lighten the hair. I lifted it or bleached it up to like a level 6, and then I went ahead and I put a box color on the hair, which was like a honey blonde color. Dark, but I really like the way that the color came out itself. Now, one thing I will mention about this hair is that it felt kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. It was a very, like, it was really soft when I first touched it. Soft, like very fine and soft. Okay, and then after I bleached it, obviously the strands swell a little bit, and the hair became a little bit more coarse. So if you're doing maybe a hairstyle that's not going to be something that you're looking to wear long term, I definitely would say that this, this hair is something that you can look into. Their prices are really affordable, and I will have their information, their website linked down below. I did a video on how I curled this hair, how I've been wearing it. This is a full lace wig, or no, it's not, I'm lying. This is a full lace frontal wig that I constructed myself. I do make wigs, so if you guys are interested in purchasing a wig or if you need one made for yourself, definitely email me and I'll go ahead and get you started with that process. Yeah, that's about it. That's really it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them down below. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I love you. Bye.